Good, not so fabulous morning. I know, my hair's a giant mess, but I'm probably gonna fix that in a few minutes. Oh, yay. And not so fabulous day. This is where we don't care what you look like, how you act, and whatever else we say. Oh, boy, do I look wow. Oh, wow. Good. Not so fabulous day. I know, I look a little ridiculous, but we're gonna rub this in. No, hang on. Rubbing in some lotion. Yes, it really does hurt my hand to do that. I was trying not to scream on camera because no one wants to hear that, like, at all. Oh boy, I better fix this. Sometimes you will see Kenzie and Kevin, my dog and cat, on this channel too. Kenzie is we believe, Chihuahua Yorkie mix. We got her about almost 1 or 2 years ago. She's a sweetie. And I love her, but we just scared her, so I'm trying to comfort her. I feel so bad that we scared her. Yes, I feel so bad that we scared Kenzie onesie. I didn't mean to. She's very confused because she has not seen my workspace yet. Kenzie here does not want to leave my arm. She is shaking. We played with one of Jade's flying pixie toys, and boy, did that scare Kenzie. Poor Kenzie is terrified. She's shaking in my arms right now. My poor precious. We did not mean to scare you. It scared me a little too, because I wasn't expecting it to fly like that. Yeah, no flying toys scare Kenzie. But don't worry, it's not flying anymore. It's going to be recharged. No. I know, I don't have my scrunchie today or anything, because I wasn't going to do a video today. But I'm going to show you Stitch before he becomes a Disney... what do I even call it? A Disney abomination. Oh, how to explain it is going to be so weird. Yes, Mr. Stitch, you're going to look so crazy. The blue's doing better than the white filament did. The white created a disaster. And if you don't believe me, hang on. Six different projects. I'm okay. No, I'm not. Okay. Okay. No. Okay. Ow. That really hurt. Okay. So this is what the filament did. I don't even think you can fix this or DIY to something. This is just a disaster. I mean, it did okay for a little while, and then it just went crazy. Like, I don't know what its problem was, but it was really just not okay. It hated me. I know. I look awful today because it's Sunday and usually I don't like to get dressed up or do like fancy stuff with my hair on Sunday. Usually I just chill. Kind of chill. My chill. Kind of. My ring light is... It's going to need replacing. Okay. Let me see. This may hurt your eyes, so if you don't want your eyes hurt, avoid it. You can't even see it. It's shaking. I was gonna see if it was just me who noticed that it's shaking hysterically. But it could just be that one. Wait, no, I want to turn it down. Okay. Yes, I know, my hair is done today. I fixed it, wore some earrings, a nice long necklace. I wore curlers in my hair to get this look, if you're wondering how I got it. I have been working on some art projects and a child's book that's going to take probably forever, but I'm doing it. I'm still working on my novel as well. I also do my TikTok and YouTube, so you could check those out, and I've been posting stuff on Instagram as well. And you can find me on Facebook, Twitter, everywhere. Y'all are wondering what I'm doing right now, huh? I am, as soon as I find it, looking stuff up for Easter to make for my family. Yep. That's what I'm doing. I'm making Easter stuff. I know it's still March, but Easter's a month away. So I was like, what should I make? And so here we are looking at Easter stuff. And if you watch my TikToks, you notice Monday and Sunday I show you different 3D projects I've been doing. And Wednesday and Friday I do gaming stuff, from video games to gaming magazines to unboxing or showing different game stuff my stepdad has. I'm really not sure what Easter stuff to do. There's a lot of cool things for Easter. A lot of bizarre things too. Did this send? It did not send. I'm making one of these. I made my stepdad and my grandma something. I gotta make my brother and Jade. My brother's a little harder to make Easter stuff. I may make him something Easter and then make something that I know they would like. So like one thing might be Easter related, the other might be, hey, this is what they like. Oh, if I would have saw that. My stepdad loves Peeps. Oh, that one's like a candy dish. Should I make myself something for Easter? Yeah, I guess. Huh. Yeah, I just got that light in my eye. Let's see if you can see this. That is the base. I'm gonna show you Stitch while I try to show you Stitch. Okay. I'm cutting. Other than that, he turned out pretty good. Okay, I shouldn't put you here. Clearly, I should put you somewhere else. Okay, anyway. Poor little guy. You turned out pretty decent, and what I'm gonna do to you is so not fair. I'm so sorry, Stitch. But he turned out pretty good. The blue looks really cute. Okay, how am I supposed to hold him? Camera. He got a little stringy here and there, but for the most part, he turned out pretty good. Compared to the last 6 things I tried to do. Why is my camera and I not? Yeah, so the last 6 things I tried to do turned into a disaster. But the blue did good. I'm impressed.